Honda has unleashed an absolute bombshell with the insane upgrades coming to the 2025 Ridgeline. This unique midsize truck is about to redefine the game, blending incredible functionality, jaw-dropping style, and Honda's legendary reliability into one mind-melting package. From never-before-seen performance enhancements to game-changing tech and design elements, the 2025 Ridgeline is packing a punch that'll leave the competition in the dust. The Honda Ridgeline is a unique mid-sized truck sold since 2005, aimed at Honda enthusiasts seeking something different from typical American offerings. This niche model has found success, beloved by die-hard Honda fans. Brace yourself for a slew of surprises that will redefine what it means to own a mid-sized truck. Here are 6 compelling reasons to eagerly anticipate the arrival of the 2025 Honda Ridgeline. Number 6. Powertrain updates. When it comes to choosing a pickup truck, the powertrain is a critical factor that determines on-road performance. The current Honda Ridgeline, while reliable, has faced criticism for its aging 3.5-litre V6 engine's lack of low-end torque compared to turbocharged rivals. Honda aims to address this shortcoming with a significant powertrain overhaul for the 2025 Ridgeline. Rumors suggest the 2025 model will receive a brand new turbocharged inline-4 engine, a configuration that has become the industry standard in the mid-size truck segment. While specific details are scarce, it is anticipated that this new turbocharged mill will deliver a substantial performance upgrade, with preliminary estimates suggesting around 310 horsepower and an impressive 300 pound-foot of torque. This newfound low-end grunt will likely translate into a more responsive and exhilarating driving experience, with the Ridgeline feeling planted and eager to accelerate. Moreover, the increased torque will enhance the truck's towing and payload capabilities, addressing a long-standing criticism of its predecessor. With ample low-end torque on tap, the 2025 model should offer a more confidence-inspiring experience when hauling heavy loads or towing trailers. While introducing the cutting-edge turbocharged engine, Honda is expected to retain the same 9-speed automatic transmission found in the current model. This decision likely stems from the desire to maintain the Ridgeline's signature transverse powertrain layout, which contributes to its unique blend of truck capability and car-like driving dynamics. Number 5. Plug-in hybrid. Another major highlight for the 2025 Honda Ridgeline is the introduction of an all-new plug-in hybrid powertrain option. With rivals like the Toyota Tacoma already offering a hybrid variant and others gearing up for electrified models by 2025, Honda is taking a proactive step to keep the Ridgeline competitive. The plug-in hybrid Ridgeline will feature a unique powertrain combining a naturally aspirated gasoline engine with a large electric motor and a substantial battery pack of at least 50 kilowatt-hour capacity. This electrified setup is expected to generate around 325 horsepower and 280 pound-foot of torque, prioritizing fuel efficiency over outright performance. While acceleration may not be as punchy as the standard engine, the trade-off is impressive fuel economy ratings, with estimates suggesting up to 30 miles per gallon combined and an impressive 35 miles per gallon in electric-only mode. Additionally, there are rumors of a more affordable mild hybrid variant that sacrifices electric-only driving range but still boosts fuel efficiency compared to the non-hybrid model. By offering a plug-in hybrid option, Honda demonstrates its commitment to providing electrified choices in its truck lineup, catering to eco-conscious buyers seeking improved fuel economy without compromising capability. Number 4. Improved towing and payload capacity. Towing and payload capabilities are crucial factors for pickup trucks, and the current Honda Ridgeline lags behind its competitors in these areas. The outgoing model can only tow up to 5,000 pounds, significantly lower than the Toyota Tacoma's 6,500 pounds and the Chevrolet Colorado's impressive 7,100 pound towing capacity. Similarly, the Ridgeline's payload performance of 1,530 pounds is on par with compact trucks like the Ford Maverick. To address these shortcomings and make the Ridgeline more competitive, Honda is expected to introduce significant improvements for the 2025 model year. With the introduction of a new platform, the 2025 Ridgeline's towing capacity is rumored to increase to 6,500 pounds, matching the Toyota Tacoma. Additionally, payload capacity is anticipated to see a boost to around 1,650 pounds, enhancing the truck's versatility and capability. These enhancements in towing and payload performance are eagerly awaited by enthusiasts, as they will make the 2025 Honda Ridgeline a more compelling choice in the highly competitive midsize truck segment. Number 3. Better fuel economy. Fuel efficiency is a critical factor when choosing a new pickup truck, and the Honda Ridgeline already delivers respectable numbers in this area. The current 2024 model achieves up to 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway, placing it among the most fuel-efficient options in its class. However, Honda is not resting on its laurels, as the 2025 Ridgeline is expected to raise the bar even higher. Rumors suggest that the 2025 model will boast an impressive 23 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway, representing a significant improvement over the outgoing version. Additionally, the highly anticipated plug-in hybrid variant is projected to deliver up to an outstanding 30 miles per gallon combined and offer an electric-only driving range of 35 miles, making it an appealing choice for those who frequently undertake shorter commutes. By prioritizing fuel economy across its lineup, Honda is catering to eco-conscious buyers who desire the capability of a mid-sized truck without sacrificing efficiency at the pump. Number 2. New exterior and interior design. As the 2025 model year marks the debut of an all-new generation, the Honda Ridgeline is set to receive a comprehensive exterior and interior redesign. On the outside, the 2025 Ridgeline will sport a bold new front fascia that embraces the latest Honda styling cues, giving the truck a more commanding road presence. The rear will also transform, featuring a redesigned tailgate and LED taillights for a fresh modern look. Stepping inside, the cabin will receive a significant upgrade with an all-new dashboard design. A standout feature will be the massive 12.3-inch horizontal touchscreen display integrated into the center stack, providing a sleek and technologically advanced interface. Furthermore, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity will come standard, ensuring seamless smartphone integration for enhanced convenience and connectivity on the go. Overall, the 2025 Honda Ridgeline's exterior and interior revisions promise to deliver a fresh and modern aesthetic that will undoubtedly turn heads on the road while offering an upscale and tech-savvy cabin experience for occupants. These design updates will not only keep the Ridgeline competitive in terms of styling, but also elevate its overall appeal to attract a wider range of buyers seeking a mid-sized truck that combines capability with contemporary flair. Number 1. Affordable price. One of the biggest drawbacks of the current Honda Ridgeline has been its relatively high pricing compared to competitors in the mid-size truck segment. The 2024 model kicks off at $39,600, making it one of the most expensive options on the market despite its array of standard features. This premium pricing has been a deterrent for many budget-conscious buyers, especially when rival trucks from brands like Toyota and Chevrolet can be had for $10,000 less. To address this issue and broaden the Ridgeline's appeal, Honda is expected to implement a slight price adjustment for the 2025 model year. While the reduction may not be substantial, reports suggest that the 2025 Ridgeline could see its starting price drop by a few $100s to around $38,500. This modest decrease may not seem significant, but it could still help make the Ridgeline more attainable for buyers who have been priced out of the market. However, it's important to note that even with this anticipated price cut, the 2025 Ridgeline is still likely to remain one of the pricier options in its class. Honda's strategy appears to be offering a well-equipped and capable mid-size truck at a premium price point, catering to buyers who prioritize features and quality over rock-bottom pricing. There you have it, the top reasons to get pumped for the all-new 2025 Honda Ridgeline. With a turbocharged powertrain, plug-in hybrid option, improved towing and payload, better fuel economy, fresh redesign inside and out, and a slightly more affordable price tag, this mid-size truck is shaping up to be a serious contender. Whether you need a capable daily driver or a hard-working hauler, the 2025 Ridgeline deserves a spot on your list. Smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and we'll see you next time.